Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Now I have got a bag of Happy Meal from Glynis and we're going to open this up. I'll see if I can just super sticky tape off. I'll open it up here. It's quite a big parcel. There we go. We'll just take them out from there. Now, a lot of the time when people send Happy Meal, I don't always get it done on the very day it gets sent, because sometimes it comes late on in the afternoon, and there's days where I do just have other things to do, and I try and get it on as quickly as possible. So we'll just dig into this. Oh, she's got some treats in here for Muttley. As always, I'm going to take them out. Thank you so much for these. Muttley's going to love chewing on those. And we've got a little bag here. I think this is Granny Squares. I'll get this open. I'm good at tying knots, Glynis. There we go. But we'll have a look. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. And there's one of these ones. I'll just go quickly through these and show you them. It's the same pattern. And they're all the same size. Beautiful. That's a different pattern. Wow, that's a bright pink, that, isn't it? Got some white, some red, and we've got these beautiful coloured ones. It's two different shades of blue. It's pink. And that's that one. There's some blue. I'll just pull these out. There's quite a few of these lovely lemon. I'll pop them over there. Oh, there's a penny. There's a little penny, Glynis. A bit of good luck. Maybe I'll win the lottery with that. And then there's this little bag. Oh, these are smaller. Look at the size of these. These are so pretty. There's a lot of dog noise outside. I think because it's much cooler today, everyone's taking their dog for a walk. And past my house is the way everybody walks. I'll just quickly take these out. So pretty. And there's some lemon and grey. I think they're hexagon shape. Some pinks. Multicoloured ones. These are so pretty. Look at those. I'm going to pop them to the side over there. Put the bags over there. So we've got this sparkly lilac. This is a beautiful lilac colour. I want to go a little bit quicker because there is quite a bit in this bag. We'll pop that to the side. There's some lovely cream. It's nice and squishy. There's some of this glitzy pink. Now Glynis sent me a ball of this already, a full ball. There's quite a bit. She's been working well with her wool winder. Just get that there. And I'll pop that all aside. It's a really nice this. It's got a lovely little glitter through it, and it's really nice and soft and squishy as well. I'll pop them to the side. Now you might hear the odd noise outside. They're actually doing work out in the street. We've got some double knitting pink, and that other yarn that I just showed you is double knitting as well. There's a couple of lovely little flowers, look like little coasters. Look at that, it's so pretty. I think I'll keep that to put my mug on. I like the blue one. Blue one's nice. My mug on that actually. These are really pretty. I really like these. Lovely little flowers. I'll pop them to the side just now. A little bag. I've got some blue. 2 different shades of blue. These are great for doing granny squares. It's nice and soft, that one. I'll pop them to the side there. A little card. She's got Alison and Muttley. She always sends a card. That's beautiful. Look at that. She makes these up herself. That's so pretty. Says, to Alison and Muttley, love from Glynis. Now they're drilling at the side of the house. I do apologise for that. So we've got some variegated blues with lilac. That's so pretty. It's nice and soft. There's quite a bit in here, so I'm going to go a little bit quicker. And there's one of these that is so pretty. The colours in that. Got lovely blues and greens. It's nice and squishy soft. And there's, oh, a crochet hook. Now she did tell me that she was sending me a couple of the sizes that I didn't have, and these Knit Pro waves. These are brilliant hooks. It's all attached in. They're quite small in your hand. I'll need to cut it out of there. They're quite small in your hand, these Knit Pro waves. That's brilliant. That's a 7mm one. Thank you so much for that, Glynis. So much. And we've got a little bag. Got a couple in there that I bought. Labels. We'll open this up, and I think it's just some these small balls. Just a little mixture of these little small balls for doing granny squares, little granny blankets. That's lovely. I'm going to pop that to the side. And look at that. That is so nice. This is a James C. Brett Fairy Cake double knitting yarn. Look at that. That is so squishy. I love the colours in that. Look at that. And this is what it does. It gives you like big panels of different colours. That is beautiful. It comes in all different colours. It says there's a free pattern. One ball makes one blanket. That is amazing. Amazing. There's 200 grams in this. It's 100% polyester, and there's 200 grams in each ball. It tells you to use a 4mm crochet knitting needle. So that's a 4mm crochet hook as well. It's a US 6. That is absolutely beautiful. Now my camera's not showing you, but that's grey, that centrepiece. Grey, lilac, pink, and then that lighter pink. I think there's one where the labels come off. I want to see if that's a knitting pattern. The labels come off one of them. It's a knitting pattern. You should put some crochet patterns on this. I wish James C. Brett would put some crochet patterns, or both, one knitting and one crochet. I'm going to pop that to the side. I can stick that back on to the one that doesn't have a label, and it's that one, the same one. There's see if there's a colour on it or a number. The colour is FC4. FC4. That's the colour in that. Doesn't have a name for the colour. I'll pop that there. Oh, these are amazing. Look at this. Look at this. That's another one. It's so squishy. That one's blue. That's beautiful, Glynis. Oh, another crochet hook. An 8mm crochet hook. That is fantastic. That's me got the whole set of these now. I've got the whole set of these. An 8. I don't think they go any higher than an 8. And that's me got the whole set. I've got another set of all the smaller ones. They're really, really good hooks. I've been using them a lot. They're even better than the Addy ones that are shaped. These are much lighter and they're quite small in the body as well, but they've still got a decent size hook, the shaft part, to use on your crochet. That is brilliant, Glynis. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to dig in here. There's a blue one. There'll be another label. There's another label. Well, that one's got like a brown in it and cream. Right, the colour number of this blue one is FC3. The pink one is FC4. That one's FC3. And this one is slightly, there's no label for that one, but there's one in here. There we go. So the number on this one is FC5. I take it they're just going around in like numbers. I'll pop that there. That is absolutely amazing. One ball makes one blanket. Should be the same for crochet because it is 200 grams and 200 grams goes a long way. 200 grams will make, this size of ball will make a nice stroller blanket or a pram blanket. One for a Moses basket or the size for a car seat. If you do it about 26 inches wide like that, or 27 inches wide, and then work your way up until your ball's finished, that should give you a nice size blanket. And it's so squishy and it is so soft. There's 2 of each of these. Thank you so much, Glynis. And that's a bag empty and Muttley's not here for the bag. I'll pop that down there because safely put it down because Muttley's not there. Glynis, thank you so much. These are absolutely beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful and it is so soft. So even using 2 balls each will make a nice big cot size. If you do the cot size, if you do it to, I would say about maybe 60 inches and then work up. So I'm going to quickly finish while they're drilling out there again because I don't think they're going to stop anytime soon. So if you Google average size blankets, you can get charts on Google and it tells you what the sizes are for different blankets, and you just do your foundation chain to the width that it tells you on those charts. So if you just go onto Google and Google average size crochet blankets, there's lots of charts and it'll tell you what the name of the blanket is and how big and how wide the average one is made to. So Glynis, thank you so much for this. I do apologise for the noise. There's nothing I can do. I think they're either upgrading next door's internet or they're doing something that they're drilling and putting cables in. But anyway, Glynis, thank you so much, and especially for these crochet hooks as well. I really appreciate it. That's my set almost complete, so it is. Thank you so much. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please click on the subscribe button. It is free to subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye. Oh, they'll stop now, just as I say goodbye.